Welcome. In front of me is an LG K62 Plus, and today I'll show you how to format your SD card. And to get started, you want to open up Settings. From here, scroll down to Storage. Select your SD card from the bottom. Once it opens up the storage, you want to tap on the three dots and go to Storage Settings, where you will find the option to format it. Tap on it, it will give you a message that performing this will remove all the data from the card. So if there is anything on that card that you would like to keep, maybe some photos, music, stuff like that, back it up beforehand, otherwise you lose it permanently. But assuming you have already done this or you simply don't want to, then hit that format button, the process will begin. It only takes a couple of seconds, and once it's completed, as it should be right about now, there we go, all you need to do now is click on Done and you're finished. So, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.